Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create reminders to open notes on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. Here you can find different buttons and click to the calendar option under the passcode. And here in the notification section you can find the remind me to open notes option. And here you can find the option how to and where to show your reminders on the desktop or the mobile, and you can select the timeline of that reminder. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.